Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we delve deep into the official specifications, anticipated release date, and projected pricing of a Nikon Z90. The Nikon Z90 is poised to be Nikon's flagship APS-C mirrorless camera, targeting enthusiasts and professionals seeking high performance in a compact form. While official details are pending, various sources have provided insights into its anticipated features, pricing, and release timeline. Anticipated Nikon Z90 specifications. Sensor and image processor 33.4 MP DX format CMOS sensor. Expected to deliver high-resolution images suitable for detailed cropping and large prints. The APS-C image processor aims to enhance overall performance, including faster processing speeds and improved low-light capabilities. Video capabilities, 4K video recording at 60p. Oversample from the full sensor width for sharp and detailed footage. Full HD recording at 120p or 180p. Ideal for capturing smooth slow-motion sequences. 0.10 bit internal. Recording provides greater flexibility in post-processing for videographers. Autofocus and shooting performance. Advanced autofocus system. Incorporates AI-driven subject recognition, capable of detecting people, animals, vehicles, and more. 15 FPS continuous shooting. Utilizes the mechanical shutter. Electronic shutter speeds are yet to be confirmed. In-body image stabilization, IBIS, offers up to 6 stops of stabilization. Beneficial for handheld shooting. Design and build 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen facilitates flexible shooting angles and intuitive controls. Dual card slots. Includes one CF Express Type B and one SD card slot, catering to different storage needs. Weather seal body. Designed to withstand challenging shooting environments. Expected pricing and release timeline estimates suggest the Nikon Z90 will be priced between $1,500 and $2,000, positioning it competitively against rivals like the Canon EOS R7. Release date. While Nikon has not officially announced the Z90, industry insiders anticipate a launch in late 2025, aligning with Nikon's strategy to expand its comparison with competitors. Canon EOS R7 sensor 32.5 MP APS-C continuous shooting up to 30 frames per second with electronic shutter video, 4K 60p recording. IBIS not available. Fujifilm X H2S sensor 26.1 MP stacked APS-C continuous shooting up to 40 frames per second with electronic shutter video, 4K 120p recording. IBIS available. The Nikon Z90 is expected to offer a balanced combination of high-resolution imaging, robust autofocus, and advanced video capabilities, making it a strong contender in the APS-C mirrorless segment. Ideal use cases for the Nikon Z90. Wildlife photography. The crop factor of the APS-C sensor, combined with fast autofocus and high burst rates, makes it suitable for capturing distant and fast-moving subjects. Sports photography. High-speed continuous shooting and reliable tracking autofocus are essential for freezing action moments. Videography, 4K 60p recording and slow-motion capabilities cater to content creators seeking high-quality video output. Travel photography. A compact and lightweight design, coupled with versatile features, makes it an excellent companion for travel enthusiasts. Future outlook. The Nikon Z90 represents Nikon's commitment to advancing its mirrorless camera offerings, particularly in the APS-C format. By integrating cutting-edge technology and addressing the needs of modern photographers and videographers, the Z90 is poised to be a significant addition to Nikon's Z-series lineup. Expected Nikon Z90 release date. Insiders suggest field testing is already underway, hinting at a 2025 release window. No official confirmation yet, but anticipation is high. Estimated Nikon Z90 price. While pricing is not confirmed, the specs suggest a mid to high tier APS-C offering, likely between $1,300 to $1,800 USD, depending on sensor tech, stacked or not. Stay connected. Don't miss out on the latest updates and in-depth analyses. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things Nikon Z90 and the evolving world of virtual reality.